Jeez. Oh. Oh, okay. And I think I need to be serious about that wine I was talking about. Let me come back. Nah, y'all think I'm playing today, Abby. You all think I'm playing today. Let's relax the nerves. Let's set the mood. I want to light some candles too, but we won't go that far. This is already sounding chill. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel, okay? Today we have a special one to look at. We have Lemav featuring Tay Iwar with Supersonic, okay? If you guys don't know Lemav or Tay Iwar, please, I urge you, I beg you now, go check out the Gold album from 2019. It was the same year Tay had released Gemini. So right after Gemini, which was a phenomenal R&B and soul album, definitely go down one of my favorite contemporary R&B and soul albums out of Nigeria. Crazy, okay? I think a couple months later, a joint tape with Lemav and Tay Iwar, because Lemav is a producer and Tay made I think together they're called Gold, and they released the album called Gold. And trust me, man, that just slipped under the radar just because Gemini had been released that same year. So I don't know if many people caught wind of this, but trust me, do yourself a favor, go check out Gold. My favorite track there is Golden. Man, absolute slapper. But yes, Lemav is a producer that goes way back with Tay. And Tay just released a tape recently, and I think Lemav is working towards his own tape. And I think this tape is not gonna have just Tay this time. I think it's a Lemav tape, because this is Lemav featuring Tay Iwar not. So it's a Lemav record, but I don't even know if I'm saying his name right. Is it Lemav or Lemav? I could be saying it wrong, but Lemav is coming out with his own tape, and this is the single for that tape, which is Supersonic featuring Tay. And when Lemav and Tay come together, you know, it's something, okay? I'm super excited about this one. Let's get right into it, okay? Lemav featuring Tay, Supersonic, let's go. Oof. Okay. After hearing those soft keys, it's making me want to like pour a glass of wine, you know, just to relax the nerves. Come on. Jeez. Okay. And I think I need to be serious about that wine I was talking about. Let me come back. Nah, y'all think I'm playing today, Abby. You all think I'm playing today. Let's relax the nerves. Let's set the mood. I want to light some candles too, but we won't go that far. This is already sounding chill. Okay, let's go. Oof, let's go, man.
I never saw it coming. You got me. I never saw it coming. You got me. I never saw it coming. You got me. I never saw it coming. If it feels right, touch the sky.
You can actually hear in the background, I think the atmosphere is being set. I'm hearing birds chirping. I'm hearing almost what feels like a waterfall. The keys are still there, and Tay's soothing, very relaxing voice is being put in the forefront of that. I'm here for it, man. This sounding sweet, bro. This sounding sweet.
Right.
Okay.
Touch the sky. If it feels right, put your hands high. Touch the sky. Touch the sky. Come along and ride with me if you want it.
Okay.
Supersonic.
Okay. The momentum is building up a bit.
If you want it.
Okay.
Supersonic.
Okay.
Oh, knocking on your door.
Hey.
Knocking on your door. Put me under.
Okay, we're going electronic on this tip. Let's go.
I need your love. Knocking on your door. Knocking on your door. Girl, I've been knocking on your door.
Nah, this is wicked. This is sounding wicked. It might not be the atmosphere for a wine anymore, but it's still a bop. It's still a bop. The energy is up there. The pace, the build up to it was very, very calm. You can feel that something was coming up and building up towards there. I love this, man. I love this so much. Knocking on your knocking on your door. Knocking on your door. Knocking on your door. Put me under your spell. I need your love. Knocking on your door. Knocking on your door. Girl, I've been knocking. Knocking on your door. Nice. It feels right. It feels right. I love electronic dance records like this. Like when the producer is like he's like his own brand, he's his own act. You can get some form of presence from the producer in the music. Like you get some personality from the producer in the music. So I'm loving all these subtle little details that is sprinkling there, here and there. Like you can hear those electronic keys, those melodies is playing around there. It sounds very like you can feel that the producer is paying attention as the song is building up and adding bits and pieces there to make it more dynamic, make it more engaging, man. It's dope. Put your hands high, touch the sky. If it feels right, put your hands high, touch the sky, touch the sky. You changed my life, starting from the day that I met you. Ooh, you changed my life, you changed my life. Starting from the day that I met you. Ooh, could ever forget your time. Knocking on your door, knocking on your door. Put me under your spell. I need your love. Knocking on your door, knocking on your door. Girl, put the energy down a bit, yeah? Knocking on your door, knocking on your door, knocking on your door. Put me under your spell. I need your love. Knocking on your door, knocking on your door. Girl, I've been knocking. Knocking on your door. Hey, let's go. This calm. This is so. Hey, let's go. A little afro on them, you know. Hey, shit. I never saw it. Got me. Hey. I never saw it. Okay. Nice. Hey. The song's about to fade out now. Let's go. Hey, I love that melody, man. I love that melody right there. Okay, let's go. Hey. I'm actually excited like this. We have our own. This is like our own Nigerian kitchenada. I am so here for it, man. I am so here for it. I am here for it. Let's go. Now this is dope, man. This is dope. Mad. It's doing some things at the end again. Hey. Okay. I see you. Mado. That was crazy. That was actually dope. That was a dope session, man. That was a dope experience. Nonetheless, again, electronic dance vibe with a little bit of Afro influence here and there, but the bop is there. Tay has a very soothing atmosphere. The way the song starts, it's like it's a whole journey of its own, man. It starts so soulful to the point where I was feeling like it's that kind of atmosphere we're about to get. But the pace builds up and it feels more energetic, and it builds up so seamlessly, man. The entire build up to it was so nice. And man, like it just immediately reminded me of a kitchenada type thing. It's this kind of sound you would have in the background where you just want to set up like a chilled atmosphere. I can imagine something like this playing in the middle of like a retail store. Like you can be walking through a retail store. It's a nice kind of bop to be having in the background. Yeah, it's a nice song, man. Definitely looking forward to more Mav records, man. And Tay, I still have to get to Tay's EP this year, man. Like he just released an EP. I haven't looked at it yet, but definitely excited, man. I'm gonna check out this new Tay one. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, definitely don't leave without subscribing or hitting the thumbs up on this video, okay, so other people can get to find a gem like this that can make you pour wine in the beginning but get you dancing at the end, you know. Definitely hit the thumbs up and let the video do well. And definitely subscribe, and like I said, subscribe for sure. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Peace out.